Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really wanted to finish Lara Jean's bedroom for Valentine's Day, but I did not get a chance to. So I was able to do the bed frame, the bedding. In a previous video, I did the hanging swing, and I did a couple more details on the structure of the room, but I couldn't finish it. But I did have a lot of fun making this metal bed frame. I used some beads for the end pieces. I reinforced it with some more wire. I decided to do a box spring because the mattress pad that I did in the previous video was a little too thin, and in Lara Jean's bedroom it's pretty thick and high, and so I wanted to make it just a little higher. So there's her mattress pad, her box spring and the mattress pad, and I think it just gives it a nice firm feel and just a nice higher look. I like to always test out the doll to make sure that the size of the mattress and the height of the bed is accurate. Here I'm using metallic acrylic gold paint. I know that in the movie it's more like a brassy gold, but I did not have that, and so this gold will do just fine. And I was actually surprised that it took without me having to prime the metal, so that was cool. And then I ended up finishing it off with this Liquitex medium, gloss medium and varnish. And I use that literally for everything. So now we're going to put the fitted sheet, the regular sheet, and the quilt. And for the fitted sheet, I kind of did it backwards this time, and I put the folds on the outside, and previously I've sewn the folds on the inside. But you just want to make sure that it's nice and snug so that it covers the mattress and the box spring. And then you just sew all the way around after you've pinned it down. I used this stretch fabric. Here we're going to do the quilt, and I separated this batting because I thought it was a little too thick. I put some lines with chalk on the sheet, pinned it down, and you basically just follow the lines. I didn't have to put the lines right now. I could have done it after joining this one and the other one, but what are you gonna do? Turn it out. And then you're just gonna sew the lines on the other side as well and close it up. I did some pillows. I'm just adding some paperboard strips to the frames to give it support and to give it a much cleaner look. And we'll be painting that later. I also took my Dremel and kind of shaved anything off that looked like it was excessive. Just make sure you have a mask on when you're using it because particles fly everywhere. But that'll be the door, which I didn't get to put in. I'm putting some framing on the windows as well. Did not get to put in any windows either. And I'm using these sheer stockings and just cutting them up to make her curtains. I chose Lara Jean's bedroom for Valentine's Day because I just think that it's so feminine, so romantic, so retro. The aesthetic, the colors, just it's just everything for me. It just calls me, and so I was really happy to recreate it. Keep watching for a little stop motion action comedy, if you will.